Hi, Rick the driving instructor. One more time we're talking about another aspect of driving, and that has to do with fuel economy or trying to save on gas. Okay, three primary things is going to depend on how well you get the most out of your mileage. Number one would be the tires. Okay, that's something that's overlooked an awful lot, but remember, proper tire inflation is key in keeping the car running as smooth as it can as far as the friction goes. The more the engine has to push against friction to move the car through the ground, the more fuel it's going to consume. So the proper inflation to reduce that friction is the way to go in that area. Secondly would be the kind of engine you have in your car. Typically, most cars these days come with 4, 6, and 8 cylinder engines. The car that has a lower cylinders are going to get the better fuel economy. So that's something to think about. There's got to be some trade-offs in your particular situation, whether or not you want fuel economy or power. So something to think about there would be the size engine that you have. And the most important thing that's going to affect your overall fuel economy is you and how you drive. Very simple. You know, the way you drive and you press on the accelerator is going to impact how well this car moves through and you get the miles per gallon that you're looking for in a tank of gas. So remember, any jackrabbit starts, any sudden stopping, and erratic driving is going to consume more fuel than steady driving is going to get you. So therefore, the best fuel economy you're going to get is when you're on an interstate or a highway, maintaining a constant speed and taking it easy as far as the stopping and the going. Again, the type of transmission you have, also something to think about, automatic transmission versus manual. Automatic shifts at certain RPMs. You have no control over that. However, with a manual transmission, you can control when you shift, and if you shift properly, you can also get a little bit more fuel economy based on that type of a transmission over the manual transmission. So those three things you should think about to get the best out of your gas mileage. Proper tire inflation, the type of engine, the transmission that you have, but more importantly, how you drive.